A taste of honey, tasting much sweeter than wine. Do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do. I dream of your first kiss, and then I feel upon my lips again a taste of honey, taste of honey, tasting much sweeter than wine. I will return, yes I will return. I'll come back for the honey and you. Do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do. Yours was the kiss that awoke my heart. There lingers still, though we're far apart, a taste of honey, taste of honey, tasting much sweeter than wine. I will return, yes I will return. I come back, you'll come back for the honey and you. Well, hi there pluckers, I've Sore Fingers again with you with hopefully another interesting oldie for you. Again from the Beatles, right back to the Please Please Me album, and a song called Taste of Honey, which isn't one of theirs actually, written by somebody else, but obviously a colour version. Okay, so standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as the Beatles version. Okay, so there are some bar chords in this, but I think you just need to practice them. Okay, so here we go. So we're starting off with an F sharp minor, 2nd fret bar chord, minor shape, and a slow arpeggiated strum. Then it comes in the taste of honey, and then you play an A chord, tasting much E, sweeter, and then back to the F sharp minor, than wine. Do-do-do-do, and then it starts to strum on that do-do-do-do bit. Okay, so it's from the beginning. A taste of honey, tasting much sweeter than wine. Do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do. Right, so you do do-do-do-do, and then on the F sharp minor bar chord, you just play the single notes on the 4th fret of the 5th string, and then the bottom E string on the 2nd. So it goes down. Wine, do 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 do, do 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 do. Got it? Right. So from the beginning again, very slowly. A taste of honey, tasting much sweeter than wine. Do 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 do. Then we go into the verse. I dream of your first kiss, and then right, this first line, F sharp minor. I dream of your. What I'm doing there is an F augmented. Okay, and the way I'm playing it is this: I'm barring the 3rd and 2nd strings at the 2nd fret, barring the 2nd and 3rd strings at the 2nd fret with my 1st finger. 2nd finger is playing the 3rd fret of the 4th string, and the 3rd finger is playing the 4th fret of the 5th string. So all I'm doing is those 4 strings, 5, 4, 3, 2, barring the 3rd and 2nd strings at the 2nd fret with the 1st finger there. Okay. So you sort of you can arpeggiate that if you like. So it's a dream of you. Got that? So arpeggiate that if you like. A dream of your first A, kiss, and then I go up to a B chord, a simple B chord, no bar chord involved in this at this stage. Second fret top E string, and then the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings with the other 3 fingers on the 4th fret there, 4 down to 1. Okay, so I dream of your first kiss, and then repeat, I feel upon my lips, and again. Okay, if you want it though, during the verse you can play that F sharp minor simply, doing that, barring the first 3 strings, 2nd fret, 1st finger, 4th fret of the 5th string and 4th string with your 3rd finger and pinky, 5 down to 1. Okay, but you need to do the F bar chord on the intro bit because you need to go that. Okay, you need to do that, so it's best if you use a bar chord at that point on the do bit. Okay, so the verse again, first 2 lines. I dreamed of your first kiss, and then I feel upon my lips again. Back to F sharp minor, a taste of honey, a taste of honey, A, taste in E, it's sweeter, F sharp minor, than wine. Now I like to play the bar chord at this point because it's like, so it's F sharp minor to B minor, 2nd fret bar chord, and then you do that bit again where you go the, like you did at the beginning of the song, we do that 4th fret of the 5th string and the 2nd fret of the bottom E string. So you need to play bar chords to get that in, okay? That's why I'm using the bar chord on this bit. So coming out of that, tasting much sweeter than wine. So we've got that, so it's F sharp minor to B minor, back to F sharp minor, then you do that 4th on the 5th, 2nd on the 6th, then you do the repeat that. Okay, so let's do the whole thing up to that point, and then you've got 99% of the song. Okay, so from the very beginning, a taste of honey, tasting much sweeter than wine. Do 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 do. I dreamed of your first kiss, and then I feel upon my lips again a taste of honey, taste of honey, tasting much sweeter than wine. Right, so that's as far as we've got, and the waltz, it's more of a waltz type of thing during the verse, where it's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like dream of your first kiss. Okay, so it's like a waltz beat. Okay, then we come to the slightly tricky bit of the sort of middle section. I will return, and it changes tempo slightly. It's like a you just really have to sort of play along with the record, try and get it with the record. Okay, it's like it doubles up in speed really. Okay, so it comes out I will. So what I'm doing there is, alright, dun-dee, 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 dun-dee. Okay, dun-dee, dun-dee. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, all the way through, yeah? So I will return, I will return. And that's A, I will, B, return. Yes, I, F sharp minor, will, back to B, return. I'll come A, back to the, for the honey, E, and U, and that goes back to the first do bit. Okay, right, so it's I will return, return. Yes, I will return. I'll come back to the honey and you. All on the F sharp minor, like we did right at the beginning of the song. Okay, so let's just go from the end of the second verse where it goes tasting much. Sorry, the first end of the first verse. Tasting much sweeter than wine. A little bit. I will return. Yes, I will return. I'll come back for the honey and you. Then we go into another verse again. Yours was a kiss and a word, my heart will linger still. We were far apart. A taste of honey, a taste of honey, tasting much sweeter than wine. Another middle bit. I will return. Yes, I will return. I'll come back. Stop. Stop on the A. For you'll come back for the E, honey, for the honey, and F sharp minor to B again. You. Now this time it's very quick. It's like for the honey, and you. And we finish on an F sharp major single strum. So F sharp minor bar chord, but with that second finger on the third fret of the second string there, major shape. Okay. Changes to a major right at the end. So that last bit is I will return. Yes, I will return. You come back for the honey, for the honey. There you have it, boys and girls, my easy peasy guide to Taste of Honey from the Beatles. Okay, have fun with that. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.